In this video, we will learn about the classification of drugs for cough. Firstly, there is antitussive, which can be used for dry cough. Firstly, there is opioids, codeine, folcodeine. Okay, then non-opioids, dextromethorphan, antihistaminics, promethazine. Then mucokinetics, drugs for productive cough. We can use mucokinetics, expectorants, potassium iodide, then mucolytics, bromhexine, nambroxol, then demulcents, cough, iozenges.